In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the Toyota Corolla power outlet fuse location for the North America version. We will provide detailed insights and first-hand experiences to help you troubleshoot and fix any power outlet issues in your Toyota Corolla. So let's hop over to it. In the 2003 to 2008 Corolla E130, the fuse box is located behind the little coin door to the side of the steering wheel, or you can look up above the pedals in the driver's footwell. You can just push on the cover tab with a diagram on it to access the fuse. So here are the power outlet and cigarette lighter fuses. There are two 15-amp fuses. The one on the left will be for the power outlet in the rear console box, and the right one will be for the power outlet on the instrument panel. In the 2008 to 2013 Corolla E140, the power outlet fuse is located in the engine bay, while the cigarette lighter fuse was located in the cabin. The cabin fuse box is located underneath the steering wheels, in front of the driver's left knee. Just pull the cover's front edge to expose all the fuses. So here's the cigarette lighter fuse. There is a 15-amp for the cigarette lighter fuse. The fuse box for the engine compartment is in the right rear corner, nearest the driver's seat. So here's the power outlet fuse. It is a 15-amp fuse in blue color. In the 2013 to 2019 Corolla E170, the power outlet fuse located in the driver's footwell. You can find it by looking up under the left side of the instrument panel, and there be a white cover with the diagram on it. If you unsnap the cover, you're gonna find the fuses. So here is the power outlet fuse. It is 15-amp fuses on the end of the row of fuses. In the 2019 to 2023 Corolla E210, the power outlet fuse is located in two places. One is in the engine bay and one is inside the cab. The interior fuse box is located in the driver's footwell. Just look down to the left of the instrument panel and you'll see there's the black box with a diagram on it. So here's the power outlet fuse number 1. And here's the power outlet fuse number 2 in the engine bay. So this is the fuse you're looking for right here with 7.5 amp in brown color. So that's it from me for today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and if this video helped, please subscribe to help this channel. See you next time.